gosh, we're here. Yeah. Welcome to Chef Soul's cooking class. Ooh, it's out. Ooh. Five is potato wedges, stir with ice, thick chocolate, boat, ash, fire, joy, lettuce, sukiya sauce, the ingredients. It's not
It should be
defrosted.
defrosted, yeah.
Means. Oh, means.
How can you even cook a piece of frozen?
Should we put it near the fire?
But not with the plastic one.
Oh. Should we eat the steamboat first?
But it will take very long to defrost anyway.
Wow.
There's one bin. Oh, there is.
Just put here for them. Give it them. Oh, girl, it just dropped. It's okay, because the wind is blowing. Whoa, girl.
Put in teriyaki sauce.
Good.
How come you use teriyaki this time?
Maybe
Do you like?
I'm okay. Cool.
Can you contact them? You call them?
And what's that thing?
Huh?
Okay. My goodness! Apparently there's another number on it.
Oh.
I text her, so I see they reply.
Goodness,
Goodness, girl.
Maybe I'm supposed to know how.
Did something just drop on it? I think it's the soup.
Salt and pepper for the steak.
Should be for the wedges bar. Because I already got teriyaki, right?
The teriyaki sauce.
What? Just boiled? Just realised they freaking gave us plastic stuff.
Yeah, man.
Oh, there's a ladle here.
Yeah.
The coal is coming back, bro. The fire really said bye, bro. Look at it.
Lord, thank you for keeping us safe and bringing us here.
Hey, boy.
Bless the food, the people who prepared good food.
Hey, boy. And?
3,
Yes.
4.
Yes.
Good weather tomorrow. so that we can watch the sunrise.
Yay!
And for a good day tomorrow, as how you have protected, you kept us safe
So far.
all the days.
Yeah.
So blessed, right?
Yeah. And all the people that He has blessed us with too.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah, so friendly.
For
warm.
having me touch my phone.
Oh yes, my phone too.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, she's being very,
There's food.
professed. Oh, they really never defrost. See.
Then let's eat a bit first. But Wagyu, really the texture is somewhat like this. It's a lot fattier.
So it's supposed to be like that.
Ish.
Mm.
Yeah.
No, it's cold now.
It is, right?
Mm.
But it's still quite yummy.
Mm. Look at this. So smart. Her idea. Her phone. The water bottle. And finally there's light displays. Yahoo! My steamboats.
Yummy.
Cool steak. Cool chocolate, no longer hot chocolate. Yay! And our view. And also the dead fire at the back.
No more
It
fire.
died, bruh. And then I got a chance to go near it. Okay, but anyways, yay, we're gonna eat. Yes.
룰루랄라, 룰루랄라.
Toodles.